So, another circus film. And this one is developing our journey on juggling. And it's about doing a cascade, doing those 3 balls in an X shape. And it's a big step because we're going to be using 3 balls. And so, to help me, I got my friend Sharon who's going to come. Hello. We know we're heading for this pattern. And Sharon's a beginner juggler and we're going to help her. First of all, we're going to do it horizontally. We're going to do it this way across. And all of Sharon's balls are going to go diagonally and all of mine are going to go straight. We'll go slowly so you can see. The white one goes there and then the black one is going over there. Sharon can put them in my hand so that we can learn the pattern. All of Sharon's are going diagonally and all of mine are going straight. So this is the empty hand, diagonal, straight, diagonal, straight, diagonal, straight, diagonal, straight. Sharon is learning the pattern of throwing the balls diagonally. I think she's getting quite good. So now I'm going to play the job of gravity. I'm going to put my hands here, quite near Sharon's face. Because if I put them over here, she's going to throw them forward and we'll never catch them. So we need my hands just here, kind of about level with Sharon's ears. And the red one is going to go diagonally up to here. And then the white one will go diagonally up to there. And then this one is going to come down like gravity. And this one's going diagonally and this one will drop down straight. Diagonal. Whoop. Can't do it yet. Diagonal. This is going to fall straight. And I can see if Sharon throws it good because I don't have to move my hands very much. Diagonal, straight. Diagonal, straight. Diagonal, straight. Diagonal, straight. I can help Sharon by being gravity and just slowing it down a bit. When she's getting good, there's going to be less gravity and the balls are going to fall quicker. You can help each other, so different people can be gravity. Sharon will help me by being gravity now. You okay?
Yep.
So the white one's going to go up, okay. Diagonal, then the black one goes up, and then the white one falls down. We're good? So now we both learned the pattern. This has lots of things happening, and often one person has one hand stronger than the other. Which is your best hand?
This hand's
right
best
hand, okay. You be the right hand, hide this hand,
okay.
So it doesn't cheat. So now we know what's going to happen. The red one will come up to the top, diagonally. And when it gets to the top, I'm going to throw this white one up there. And then when the white one's up in the air, what are you going to do?
Throw the black one.
Okay, so it's going to go red, white, black.
Okay.
Ready? Red, white, black. It's okay. Try again. Okay. We ready? It's going to go red, white, black.
Okay.
Red, white, black. That's good. Mm-hmm. So it's going to go red, white, black.
Okay.
Red, white, black. 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 So you can help each other. So those are the steps today. Going to this pattern by getting your friend to learn the pattern flat, and then to learn it up and down by being gravity, and then learning side by side. White, black, red.
Okay.
White, black, red. White, black,
Yay.
red. White, black, red. Okay. So if you can do those, it's your chance to learn by yourself. So if you've had your friend help you, it's your turn to do this. You can see the same pattern. Instead of having Sharon's hand, it's going to be my hand. It's going to go red, white, black, red, white, black. Things that happen, people go 1, 2, 3, yes! And then there's 2 stuck over here. You have to go 1, 2, 3, yes! And then they get stuck. Where does the other one fit in? It goes each time there's one at the top. So when the red one gets to the top, I'm going to throw the white one, and then the black one. Each time one gets to the top, I'm going to throw another one. Red, white, black, red, white, black, red, white, black, red, white, black. You could go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You could go right, left, left. Things that happen to people. Their first throw is really good, about as high as their hat. And the next throw is and then it gets tiny. They go good, small. You've got to keep all your throws the same height. And the other one is that they go forwards. Ah! They throw the ball forwards. Try and keep your elbows by your sides. Pretend you're carrying a tray of tea up the stairs, about like that. That stops the ball going forward. I'm pretending there's a wall here where the kind of carpet ends. So I'm throwing them up, keeping myself going straight. Some people are really mean and they practice near a wall. So if you go forward, you hit your hand on the wall. I think it's a bit mean. I think you could practice with your knees against a bed so that if the balls fall forward, you're on your bed, you don't have to pick them up. But this cascade pattern is really good. This is the one that gives you more connections in your brain. Even if you can't learn it to be able to juggle, even if you can't learn it to be able to juggle, the practice of doing this wires your brain up more. It's really good for you. And the learning is really quick. You get 5 catches and then you get a 10, but then you get like a 20 and a 50 and 100, and then you can start to do tricks. I hope your juggling journey is okay. So those were the steps today. Working with a friend horizontally and vertically and in pairs, and starting off doing the cascade by yourself. I hope you're going well. Remember to say, I can't do it yet.